Welcome back. Chief Electoral Officer has reviewed the closure timings of eateries across Goa after widespread displeasure by tourism industry. On Saturday, Chief Electoral Officer has lifted the ban on closure of eateries after 11 p.m. Election officials say till 16th February bars can close after 11 p.m. but eateries and restaurants attached to it can remain open late night. Here is a report.
Many people had objected to the decision of Chief Electoral Officer and collectors to close the bars and eateries after 11 p.m. The tourism industry had raised the objection as tourists were left out without food late night across Goa. Now election officials have reverted back their decision.
आज आमची मिटिंग झाली त्यात मातशें ठरयलां की बार आसतली ती 11 पर्यंत चालू उरतली आणि जर तातूंत इटरीज आसत जाल्यार इटरीज विल कंटिन्यू देर आसतले इटरीज चालू उरतले कारण तांचे म्हणण्यासाठी टुरिस्ट जे आसा तांचे जेवणाची वेवस्था जावंक जाय ते खबर म्हणून इटरीज विल कंटिन्यू टील मागीर ताजे उपरांत बार्स विल स्टॉप एट 11 o'clock. That will be last time.
And after 16th,
after 16th, bars will close at 10 o'clock. But eateries will continue. There will be no eateries will again time bandhan now.
And sir, what about casinos and all? They had some demands that it...
No, same will be applicable to casinos also.
Okay.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Kolwa Civic and Consumer Forum are up in arms against illegal structures coming up at Kolwa Beach. Forum has alleged that a local hotel is the latest entrant in the CRZ violators list at Kolwa. Dr. Ugantawala and other officials of CRZ board inspected the illegal structures at Kolwa. Forum has demanded an immediate action on the lawbreakers. Dr. Ugantawala and other board officials of CRZ inspected illegal structures at Kolwa Beach on Friday. Kolwa Civic Forum had raised voice against illegal structures and acts increasing at Kolwa Beach. Forum also highlighted that a local hotel is engaged in expanding their structure illegally at Kolwa Beach, violating CRZ norms.
Now today we found Kolmar is constructing illegally without any permissions from any authorities. We have just shown it unofficially to the visiting CRZ authorities, but they have come specially to inspect the site where illegal constructions took place in the month of June. 2 stop work orders issued by the Panchayat. After that, the Panchayat has done nothing to stop the work.
Forum is hoping for a logical conclusion and strict action against the illegal activities in Kolwa.
Complaints have been filed against all these persons, violators to the CRZ, and they are slowly and surely, hopefully, taking this thing to the logical end. We have made a case that by the 31st of October 2011, the CRZ authorities, as per the MOEF rules and regulations of 2011, January 5th, were supposed to identify all illegal structures and demolish them by 31st of October, which has not been done till date.
A reporter from Kolwa, Savio Dice. Internationally acclaimed musician Edward Maya enthralled Goa with his trademark music at the India Fest on Friday. He was in the state as part of his Desert Rain India tour. Edward Maya says he is collaborating with an Indian artist in his next album.
Channel V kicked off its second edition of India Fest at Baga on Friday. The national level intercollegiate festival brings together talented youth of the country on a common platform.
One big thing is scale. So last year we had about 15 events. This year we have about 30 events. There are much larger performances. We've spread the net much wider. We had about 50,000 students registering last year for the events. We have about 90,000 this year. So every year it's been growing larger. And before the end of the festival, we expect to cross about 1 lakh in terms of pure registration. So clearly every year it's getting much larger than the previous year.
But the highlight of the day was the performance of Edward Maya. He was in Goa as a part of this India tour.
I will release a new song with an Indian artist very soon because I love the Indian culture. It's a good combination, and I think I will make something interesting. It's my first time here in Goa. I love this part of India, and I'm very happy to be here. I heard a lot of things about weather in Goa, the beaches in Goa, and everything. It's something like Miami.
A reporter from Baga, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Jnana Prasarak Mandal's Department of Management Studies in association with Department of Art and Culture organized a photography and art exhibition from 27th and 28th January. Exhibition was organized as part of Goa's Golden Jubilee celebration.
Lecturer from DMC, Nabil Menezes, told us more about the exhibition.
There are contributions in this from students, from teachers, and photographs from the competition that have been on display. There are things like Wali painting, a little bit of embroidery, tile mosaic, and photographs which have been contributed by students who are doing a photography course here as a part of the BBA curriculum, as well as the photographs of the competition and some contributions by students in general and faculty members.
A reporter from Asgaon, Shamsundar Fatti.
This is news from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.